Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad for a school competition. First, let's plan for success. Choose a vibrant array of fresh, ripe fruits, aiming for at least 5 different types to ensure a beautiful presentation and diverse flavors. Think about a unique theme or a special ingredient to make your creation truly memorable. Gather all your essential tools, including a large mixing bowl, a sturdy cutting board, and several sharp knives, before you begin. Now, let's prepare our delicious ingredients. Begin by thoroughly washing all your chosen fruits under cool, running water to ensure cleanliness. Next, carefully peel and core any fruits that require it, making sure to remove all seeds, stems, or any blemishes. The key here is precision. Cut each fruit into uniform, bite-sized pieces, roughly 1 inch in size, for both easy consumption and an appealing, consistent look. With your fruits prepped, it's time to bring them together. Gently combine all the colorful fruit pieces in a large mixing bowl, using a soft spatula to avoid any bruising. For a delightful touch, prepare a simple, light dressing. A blend of fresh citrus juice, like the juice of 1 lemon or 2 limes, with 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup works wonderfully. Drizzle this dressing over the fruit just before serving to keep everything fresh and vibrant. Finally, let's focus on presentation, which is crucial for any competition. Arrange your beautiful fruit salad attractively in a clear glass bowl or elegant individual serving cups to showcase its vibrant colors. For an extra touch of flair, garnish with a few fresh mint leaves, a sprinkle of toasted coconut flakes, or even some edible flowers. Remember to keep your salad well chilled until the very moment of judging to ensure optimal taste and a refreshing texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.